Michelin size is a reward because what is most important, it's only 10% of the world of chefs get a one star Michelin. And it's all about the cooking of highest standard and consistency most important. So you use the first class ingredients and keep it simple. It's a tropical island and most of the ingredients are here. You have beautiful, valuable vitamins, healthy ingredients. So why can't you not use it? Support the local farmers. The country at the moment is going through a very difficult time, and the farming and agriculture is suffering. So this is time as a chef here, you can really take initiative. Talk with the local suppliers. What do you have? That's what I do. I'm pleased to be able to showcase ingredients in different techniques and surprising them, and that's what it should be, food, surprising and enjoying fun.